Molly from County Battery and I'm here to show you the improvement that I've made to the cleaning rota.
This is our old cleaning rota. It doesn't have any QR codes on it. It doesn't show you where any of the cleaning supplies are, how to do any of the cleaning tasks, or where to do any of the cleaning tasks.
For the new cleaning rota, I've put QR codes on each of the cleaning tasks so people can scan them and find out where the cleaning supplies are located and how to clean each area. A QR code to show you how it works. So it's opening on Dropbox. It shows you where the cleaning supplies are located and how to do the cleaning task. Also included a floor plan which shows you where each cleaning area is located. In each cleaning area I've put the process as well. So for the toilets I've got the checklist which you tick off, and I've also got a video here on how to clean the toilets and go through the checklist. So that's my video on the improvement I've made to the cleaning rota. Thank you for watching.